Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to change the download location in Windows 10. To change the download location in Windows 10, open up your web browser. In this video, I'm going to be using Microsoft Edge, which is part of Windows 10 and Windows 11. But if you're using another browser, you should be able to follow the same steps and get the same result. But to change the download location in Microsoft Edge, go over to these three little dots and then click on that. And then on this list, you want to find Settings and then click on that. Once you're in the settings, here on the left, you'll see this tab called Downloads. Click on that. And here you'll be able to change the default download location for where Microsoft Edge downloads files. So you can go ahead and click on Change. And then here you can change this to any other folder on your computer. In this example, I'll change it to Desktop and then click on Select Folder. And now all of the files that will be downloaded by Microsoft Edge will be saved on the desktop automatically. If you're having trouble finding the Downloads tab in your browser, you can always just do a search for Downloads and then scroll down until you find the result for where you can change the default download location. Here I got this result where I can also change the download location in Microsoft Edge. Most modern browsers will have a search function, so it doesn't matter which browser you use. If you do a search for downloads in the settings of your browser, you should be able to get to this setting where you can change the default download location. I do hope this guide helped you out. Please like the video and watch any of my other helpful guides on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.